Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, from beginning to end. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born on February 19, 1630, in the Shivneri fort, near Junnar, Maharashtra. His father, Shahaji Bhonsle, was a general in the Bijapur Sultanate, and his mother, Jijabai, played a crucial role in shaping his character. From a young age, Shivaji was influenced by Hindu epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata, instilling in him a sense of duty and leadership. Formation of the Maratha Kingdom. Around the age of 15, Shivaji started capturing forts, beginning with Torna Fort, 1645. He later took Purandar, Rajgad, and Kondhana, Sinhagad, strengthening his position. In 1659, he defeated the Bijapur general Afzal Khan using strategic guerrilla warfare, solidifying his military prowess. Later, he clashed with the Mughal Empire, defeating Shasta Khan in a daring attack on Pune, 1663. In a grand ceremony at Raigad Fort, Shivaji was crowned Chhatrapati, sovereign king, of the Maratha Empire, establishing a strong and independent rule. He controlled over 300 forts, strategically positioning them across Maharashtra. Recognizing the importance of naval power, he built a strong Maratha navy to counter European and Mughal threats. Despite being a devout Hindu, Shivaji respected all religions and protected Muslims, Christians, and other minorities. He established an efficient administrative system with 8 ministers, handling finance, military, diplomacy, and justice. Later years and legacy. Shivaji expanded his empire into southern India, capturing major territories from the Mughals and Bijapur. However, on April 3, 1680, he passed away at Raigad Fort due to illness. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is remembered as a brilliant strategist, just ruler, and a symbol of Indian resistance. His leadership laid the foundation for the Maratha Empire, which later became a dominant power in India. Today, he is revered as one of India's greatest warriors and nation builders. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for getting more awesome videos in future. Thank you.